Hey everyone, Batman 2021 is back, and I got this, Mia Lopez, um, Funkopop. Got this from Target yesterday. I think I got one coming in the mail, but it ain't gonna be for me, it's gonna be for someone else. And before I got accused of being, whatever, I was actually gonna give this one up whatever, in case I didn't want it, but I recommend you go to my, fiance's channel and watch her. Please go to Funko Cats. And look, if y'all guys see Funko Cats, it's gonna be on a different thing. It's gonna be look, it's just gonna be Funko Pets, and it's gonna be like that cat from Pinocchio. That's a Funko Cat of that cat from Pinocchio. So if y'all search it up, it'll be right there. And yeah, and oh, and this right here, I don't really know much about the character from the Marvel comics. I haven't really paid that much attention to Hawkeye that much. I'm sorry, like I recognize him as a character, but when they got Kate Bishop or something on the show, I just don't really know much about her, other than the fact she's like a rich version of Hawkeye, or Flint, whatever. Like she's a richer version of him. And I know she fight alongside the Young Avengers. That's all I know. I don't really pay much attention to the Marvel comics that much anymore. I really don't like Marvel comics anymore that much. Unless it's like Captain America, or like the regular Avengers, or like Iron Man, Spider-Man, Hulk. Those are the only characters I like, besides Black Widow. And plus, in my opinion, Hawkeye is like a knockoff of like Green Arrow, like from the DC comics, in my opinion. I hate to say it, it's the truth, nothing but the truth. I don't like other archers if it ain't like Green Arrow. And to me, if you're gonna have a character that's based on Green Arrow or whatever, like, I wouldn't mind if y'all got inspired by the idea, and I don't think they intentionally copycat him entirely. But I mean, like, if you think about, like, both are superhero, like, both Hawkeye and Green Arrow are superheroes. Both, at one point, have, like, well, both didn't really have sidekicks, but both uses, like, their recurve bows and, like, trick arrows. And both are, like, more anti-heroes, and both are willing to kill to an extent. In fact, I remember, I think Green Arrow killed Prometheus in the comics at one point. You know, the guy with the purple helmet that, like, where, like, where he can download karate and stuff in his brain, kind of like people from a Matrix. So it's like, I know Kung Fu. Yeah. Like, both at some point had to be willing to kill in the comics, I bet you. And I kind of want to talk about that a little bit. So Prometheus blows up Star City, like in the comics. Green Arrow goes after him, kills him, and like he has to go through a trial like in the comics, which I thought was pretty stupid. I was like, why is he on trial for killing Prometheus? I mean, he did the right thing, and then he gets banished like from Star City, like on New Earth storyline, like somewhere in the Forever storyline, Forever Evil storyline or some crap like that. I don't really know. I just know it was a bunch of BS that I don't have time for. But yeah. In the morning, y'all let me know what y'all think about like my fiance's channel and this comic book story or whatever, and I'll talk to y'all later. And please like, subscribe, and please don't give up on watching my videos. Please don't. I have really good content. I'll do anything, like for suggestions, like anything at all. Like if you suggest I want to do like control my relationship like for 24 hours or anything like that, I'll do that. I have very good content. I can tell y'all, look, I'm not real big on like being a playboy or like being with other girls or whatever, but I have good stories of me trying back then, or anything else. Like if y'all say come up with stories like that, like I will write them down and I'll read it. And look, thanks for the 8,800 and something views right now. Thank y'all so much for that. And I can't wait to get to 10,000 views. I cannot wait to get to 10,000 subscribers soon. Real soon. Hopefully within next year. I cannot wait to keep filming every single day, knowing where I'm going to be at. I feel like if I can do that, then I can do anything in the world.